Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you might be able to fix faults on your Roberts Beacon 330 Bluetooth speaker. Maybe you have an intermittent problem, or you might not like the sound it's producing. It might sound different than it used to before. So the first thing you can try to do is reset the device. So right now we're on, it's connected to my phone. We have a little reset hole just at the bottom here. You're going to need to have a very thin paper clip. I'm using a little pin here, and you're going to have to insert it in here, quite far actually. You've got to go all that distance in before it touches the button. There's a little button just in here. It's a little clickable button, and I'm going to click in on it and I'm going to let go. That will actually turn the Bluetooth speaker off. So now when you turn it back on, hopefully the problem will have gone. But if it hasn't, accidentally you might have messed around with the equalizer down here. So let me show you how that works. Just turn it back on again. Now with the equalizer we have various different settings. We have normal, classic, bass boost, outdoors and speech, and a little light will flash indicating what we're on. So if it's not flashing, if it's just steady, it will be normal. If it's flashing 4 times, it will be outdoors. If it's flashing all the time, it will be speech. You get the idea. Now to go into the graphic equalizer setting, all we have to do is tap the power button just once like that, and then we're going to use the volume up and down button to scroll between the different things. So right now that is flashing twice, so I know it is on bass boost. If I hit it again, it will flash 4 times. I now know it's on outdoors. Hit it again, it will go to speech, and it'll be flashing all the time. So maybe put it to normal, where it's just solid like that, and see how you get on. So give it a few seconds. You don't have to touch anything. You give it a few seconds and now it's gone off. Have a listen to a few songs or a podcast or whatever you want to listen to, and then see if you like how it sounds. If it doesn't, try the next one on the equalizer, and then hopefully you will get a sound setting that you like. If this video has helped you out, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.